Today we have the 2019 Skoda Karoq. This vehicle has done just under 32,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. On the right, we have assist and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, on the left, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration, and voice control. On the right, we have setup, Apple and Android CarPlay and MirrorLink, our vehicle settings and menu. If you put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with rear parking sensors. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control.